Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and sign up into your Robinhood account. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store, and in the App Store search for Robinhood just like I'm doing. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first application that you see, download and install it onto your phone and click on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and just check in what it's asking you. So allow Robinhood to track your activity at the across. I don't want it to track it. So once you've done that, simply tap on the sign up button, select your region, and once you've done that, tap on done, continue, and now go ahead and enter your email. Once you've entered your email, it's going to ask you to create a password. It's also going to ask you for your social security number, and then you're going to be logged in into your account. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the